Okay, so the other assignment that is due on Tuesday, and just to be clear on, is this housing data measurements. Okay, this assignment is due November 24th. So I just want to go over this spreadsheet and make sure everybody's on the same page. So like it says, measure only the outside and first floor. So if you have a basement or a second story or a third story, we're only working with the ground floor right now. What we're going to do is we're going to use all these measurements once we come back from Thanksgiving to start doing some drafting stuff. All right, we're going to do a lot of different things with these measurements. So it's really important that you get these done before Tuesday. Okay, so looking at the spreadsheet here, there's a couple different things on here. Exterior dimensions, which I'll talk about in a minute. Front back porch, back patio deck, garage door length, living room, kitchen. So as you come across these, if there is something that you do not have, for example, if you do not have a back patio or a back deck, you would simply put an A. If you don't have it, you can't measure it. If your house does not have a garage, same thing. A couple kids asked, well, I've got a carport or a garage that's not attached to my house. If it's not attached to your house, don't measure it. Okay, do not measure it if it's not across to your house. Now we have a living room and a kitchen, so we're looking for the measurements of the living room and your kitchen. Dining room. Some of you may not have a dining room. The house I used to live in, we didn't have a dining room. We had a really large kitchen to where the table was included as really part of the kitchen. So if you don't have a dining room, NA. Okay. Now the sitting room, some houses will have like a formal sitting area. Some people call the living room the family room, and then this is the formal area. So when you have guests, you go sit in the sitting area because it's all nice and proper, and nobody ever goes in there, so nothing's ever messed up. If you don't have one of those, NA. Okay. Master bedroom, master bath. If you have a two-story house, you may not have a master bath and a master bedroom. That may be on the second floor, and you may have other bedrooms, okay? Or if you have a second-story house, your master bedroom and master bath may be on the bottom floor or the ground floor, and the 1, 2, and 3 would be upstairs. So whatever's upstairs, if you have a two-story house, that's what you would put, okay? So let's say that you had a one-story house or even a two-story house, but you have 4 bedrooms, then all you could do is simply add another column, okay? So this is what's due before Tuesday of next week, okay? If you have any questions about measuring this, if you need to borrow anything to measure this, please let me know as soon as possible, okay? So, got questions? Let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow.